guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how I obtain this cute hairstyle. I absolutely love it. All the products that I use, I will leave it down below in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave it down below in the comment section. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, then please smash that like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm firstly going to start off by straightening the front section of my hair to ensure that it lays flat. I will be using the fast hair straightener to do this.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you.
Next, I will be brushing out the back section of my hair, and then I will be spraying it down with a little bit of water, and then I will start detangling it because it's very much giving gekook. This is to ensure that my hair will lay flat at the back. Now I will tie my hair up into a ponytail and then I will slick my hair down with some Afro Locks molding gel. Now that I'm done slicking down my hair, I will tie it into a ponytail again. Then I will apply a bobby pin to the front section of my hair just to ensure that it lays flat. Thereafter, I will make a small bun.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an everything that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I will now be loosening this braid that I made with the braiding hair. Thereafter, I will apply it to my hair. Then I will start separating it. I braided the braiding hair so that it could have a wavy texture.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, hang on. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give.
I am now going to wrap this piece of braiding hair around the ponytail. I will first tie it down with a bobby pin before I start wrapping it around. Next, I will be doing my edges. You can leave it as is if you don't feel like doing your edges, whichever way you prefer.
Don't you understand? Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
And here's the final look, guys. I absolutely love the way this hairstyle came out. I enjoyed creating this video for you guys. I hope you find it helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.